Assalamu alaikum. Emergency flood relief in Kenya, Sri Lanka was supported by the High Commission of Malaysia in Colombo, Sri Lanka, organized by Serenity Foundation. Our sincere thanks to the High Commissioner, His Excellency Badli Adam Hisam, for the continued support to Kenya. Deeply values over 30 years we close relationship with Malaysia. We truly appreciate your ongoing support to Sri Lankan people. Thank you.
Parole.